place. See, you like this place? That's the altar. We must go pray already.
Wow! This Airbnb is awesome. Did I see? Oh, shit! What else? Complete the lyrics. And it's new. This is new as well. It's crazy.
Okay, stay there. Since two people are here, they call whoever called it clean.
Oh, the view is it? Must be the view.
For me, toilet is more important.
Both also good, right?
No, for which toilet is nicer? I think this room I want.
Go to the toilet. Sorry.
I see the toilet, I know already.
I think it's a real toilet.
This room, we are taking this room, ah? I'm very happy with that.
I promise you guys can go and have the bathtub when you come back from stay. Our room bathtub, you can feel free to come and enjoy the bathtub.
Oh, so you are taking that room? Is it? Who say?
I didn't say you're not taking that room.
Oh, so you are taking this room but that shower?
Yes. This is our maitre d'. This thing will just take up space.
Found it. Okay, found the one.
Okay. Take away your card. Yeah.
How it grew like this? It grows from the stem, ah.
Where's the stem? Stem is inside.
No, the stem sticks to it.
Used to be there.
Yeah.
At the bottom.
It's basically like a strawberry.
at the bottom of it.
No, at the top.
So means in the,
I mean
the hole
inside
lah.
the hole.
Yeah.
At the bottom of
Yeah.
it.
It's like this is on the top lah. It's like this one.
They hang it like this.
Yeah.
They hang it like.
Oh, what? Too heavy ah? No, the thing will fall a little bit. I'm so excited. That was a bad idea. Up together, up. Oh, not this up. Oh, I can do it. Okay. Team Edward, Team Jacob, is this the Vampire Diaries? Twilight Saga, yeah. Is that all? Yes, okay. Yes, extra chest some more. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I know all the scenes.
Is it? Me too!
Yeah.
I want to have a showdown!
I know all the scenes.
So, since it's a rainy day, we could just find the option of going under the rainy day inspiration places. So for this, these are still recommended areas that we could have been visiting. Where are we? It's up to our imagination. We can be here, could be
Gong
there.
Where are we? Okay, imagination.
location. We are in a physical location lah. Simply.
Where?
Hello.
Oh, okay, I'm here. I see.
The system also spoil lah. Don't want to listen to your nonsense.
Hey guys, can you try to think of a DJ name for yourself?
My one is Lil Ru. Yeah, he named me.
When she wear this thing.
Yeah, DJ Lil Ru.
Last time, right, I was, because the only music I listened to was hip hop, so I freaking love it, and I wanted to give, you know, all those rappers all got 50 cent, all this kind of thing, right? So I wanted a name,
Okay.
and then I go put at Lil Bill. That was my like login, sign on, everything it was Lil. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Lil
it's
look like Lil Jon,
yeah,
you know Lil Jon. All those, that's why I give her the Lil Bill, no more Lil one.
What's up, Lil Ru?
Yeah, we go in the farm, rapping with the sheep.
Rapping through the barns, yeah.
Lil
We're
Ru back
walking
in
through the
town,
farms.
underneath the storm.
We need to practice.
Huh?
We're walking through the
We're walking through the barns.
We something through the farms.
Walking through the bums and skipping through the farms. Skipping through the farms.
Let's practice one more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Walking through the farm, skipping in the barn, rolling up the yard,
hanging on my arm.
hanging down my arm.
Oh, hanging down my arm.
Hanging on my arm.
Hanging down my arm.
Hanging down my arms. Anyway, so hanging down my arm.
Hanging down my arm.
Yeah, like this, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Walking in the
Walking through. Walking through.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Walking through the farm, skipping in the barn, rolling up the yard, hanging down my arm. Hanging down. Just remember, down.
I need
Point
my
down.
script. I need my script.
Walking in the farm, skipping, walking through the farm. Ready? Walking in the Okay. Through in. Walking in. Problematic are you? Through in, okay. Walking through the farm, skipping in the barn, rolling up the yard, hanging down my arm, up and down. Through in, up, down. Walking through the ah!
Okay.
Walking through the farm, skipping in the barn. Hello! Walking through the farm, skipping in the barn, rolling up the yard,
Hanging down my arm.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so
Ready?